This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you'll learn about the Asset Migration Outcome node. The Asset Migration Outcome node retrieves the current information about a Catenis Smart Asset previously migrated to a foreign blockchain. This node returns details including the asset ID, how many units were migrated, which direction they were migrated to, inward or outward, and more. Name the node using the name field and set your Catenis virtual device in the connection field. In the Migration ID field, enter the ID of the asset migration event that was conducted when you migrated units of the Catenis Smart Assets to a foreign blockchain. Now, let's learn how to use this node in interactive mode. Drag and drop the Asset Migration Outcome node into your workspace and double-click it to display its properties panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information to each field of the Properties slide-out panel. Then, wire this node to a debug node. Click the red Deploy button. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button attached to the Inject node to send the default property panel setting to the Catenis APIs and through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the results to the right side of the workspace. Great work! Now you should understand how to use this node in interactive mode. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to use this node in runtime mode.